How to use OBS to record screen and audio. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can use the OBS Studios to record your screen and as well as your audio. So the first thing you're going to have to do is download the application. You can do it by going over to Google Chrome and search for OBS download. Click on the first link that you see, download OBS Studio. Now from here, you're going to have to click on download installer and it will download an installation file. All you have to do now is just click on this installer file and then it will run it and install OBS to your device. So I'm currently recording this video using OBS as well. So there are a few things that you need to know before you start. All right, so let's begin. The first thing is your sources. So what kind of display do you want to capture? You have multiple options. So first thing you do is add source. So you can do application audio capture, only audio input capture, or audio output capture. It could be a browser. Your display capture means you're capturing your entire screen. So whatever is on display, you should be able to capture it. Then you have other stuff like window capture. So if you want to just capture a specific window, so let me just show you guys. If I click on it and then click on OK, here I can select a window to capture. So if I have my Chrome open here, so what I'm going to do is select a window to capture. And on the capture method, you can select it and then click on OK. Now it will select a window capture. Now you can hide it or display it depending on your choice. You could also add a overlay as well. So you can also lock the sources. Now on the audio part, you can select the microphone that you want to record using. So I'm currently using my laptop's default microphone, but you can also connect external mic and change its settings. You'll have the slider, so if I move it down, it will decrease my volume, and if I move it up, it will increase my volume depending on the slider. So these are the basic things that you need to know before starting to record. You can hit the start record button here and then stop record here. You could also pause the recording. So I just paused the recording for a few seconds and I'm able to stop recording from here as well. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and I'll catch you on the next one.